just got done filming Tequila Friday. If you haven't seen our Tequila Fridays, go to TikTok, find our channel, and you'll see what I'm talking about. We have a lot of fun here. We have great culture. By the way, this week I am just back from a trip to Fort Lauderdale and Orlando. In Fort Lauderdale, I was learning about private equity money that can help you fund fix and flips, can help you fund buy and holds. That's my passion. Can help you fund many things that can bring you mailbox money, as Dan likes to call it. So there's a lot of things that you can do in this business to make a difference. But what I really want to talk about is our Real Estate Renegades program. So our next one is October 18th. It is a Wednesday. It starts at 5, goes to 8. We're inviting you to be there. Rob Bunis, Bob Barnhardt, and myself will be there. And we will be talking about different systems to make a difference for us and to make a difference for you. Every brokerage is different. Every team is different. And the way you run your business may very well be different. There's lots of options. It's about the ones that click and work for you so that you can work and have a life. Because your business is built within your brokerage's business. So Real Estate Renegades in Haddon Township at the Tap Room. The link will be attached to this video, and it will be from 5 to 8 on Wednesday, October 18th. I hope to see you there.